Good morning, everyone. Now, today we discuss three lists. Those are more important for everyone. There are three lists: union list, state list, and concurrent list. Union list, union list, state list, concurrent list, or residuary power. USCR. Union list, the matter which is important for national level, just like banking, defense, foreign affairs, and the international relations. These all are the union list subject which is important for nation. State list, subject important for state, subject important for state, that is consistent state list. Agriculture is the subject of state list. Now the confusion is going on in all around the country that parliament passed three proposals, farmers bill. It is a subject of state list. State can introduce these lists. Okay, then concurrent list equally common. Adoption, then the marriage, other legal rules. Commonly important: education, adoption, marriage, and other things. Commonly important for union list and state list, consistent concurrent list. Then if something is lacked from these, consistent residuary power, they can introduce a new bill. For example, at the time of Indian independence, we are not knowing about the computer education. So they introduced through residuary power. Special state, Article 370A, that was removed from the constitution. It was temporary, it was not permanent, so it was removed. Special state, Jammu Kashmir was the special state, and when we discontinued the Article 370A, it automatically lose the symbolization of special state. After that, these are the powers, these are the lists. According to these, under the guidance of these lists, we work and achieve the result. As you requested for my old video, I am sending both new and old, because this is the revision time. That was previous one where we studied in detail. Okay. Coming together federation, it is in USA. The election state-wise. Generally, the issue was discussing right now between Trump and Joe Biden. Due to the coming together federation, they have the problem that individual state vote for the president. Holding together federation, constituent sees different consequences, participate in the state election and national election, just like in India. We select MPs, MLAs, and run the government. These two formation is there. This is called the president type of rule. This is called the prime minister type of rule. Okay. Then language policy in India. 21 other language is scheduled in constitution, and along with Hindi and English, whatever you want to use, you can use. Then central state relation, generally central and state relation depend on the ruling party. If at the central level, ruling party, for example, A ruling party is there, and in state A ruling party is there, both the political parties are same, then the relations are healthier. Otherwise, it become complicated. For example, in central level, BJP is ruling, and the state level in West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee is ruling Trinamool Congress, and the relations you know very well. Ka, chi, 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 chu, cha, whatever. The CM of West Bengal, she is doing this type of activity in front of people. When people say Jai Shri Ram, she was frustrated. She was frustrated. So the relationship is not healthy between these two groups. Similarly, the same political party, Bharatiya Janata Party, is ruling in central level, and the same political party which is ruling in Gujarat. Relationship well healthy. So it depends, and it was started from 1990s when a new formation occurred in Indian politics. That was the coalition government. कहीं कीट, कहीं करोड़ा, बानुमती का कुंभा. Different political parties have the different issues. They all gathered, sit, and form a new political group. For example, NDA, National Democratic Alliance, UPA, United Progressive Alliance. So these political parties pressurize central level political parties. State level political parties, they were having great emergence in state, but at the central level they were not having any presence. So due to that, in Bihar, JDU, Janata Dal United is there, and they were the cooperative government, coalition government of Bharatiya Janata Party, NDA government is there. So these political parties and their relationship depends on central level political party. Remember this thing. Okay. And then a new topic was introduced with the 73rd Amendment 1992. That was the Panchayati Raj Adhiniyam. And as we discussed previously about the Panchayati Raj Adhiniyam, so there is no need to discuss again and again here. Panchayati Raj Adhiniyam, what you have to write down, 1992, 1/3 seats reserved for females, ST, SC, OBCs, and this was the third tier for local government. When it was successful, the same thing is applied for city government, 74th Amendment, Nagar Raj Adhiniyam. Okay, that is your chapter. This is the summary of your chapter. So if you have any doubt concerned with me,